Please always ensure you have adult supervision before repeating any of our experiments, but most importantly, have fun!
Hello, I'm Jamie from Mini Professors, and today we're going to make a rainbow out of Skittles. So what you need is Skittles, a plate, and some warm water. So the first step you need to do is pour some Skittles onto your plate. And then you need to rearrange them like I've done here. This experiment's great because I get to eat them. And then you have to pour some warm water in the middle. Look what's happening now. Wow, it's so amazing. I hope you have lots of fun doing the experiments. Thanks for watching. Bye!